25 years ago, Akal began as a dream, a vision to transform the tech landscape. Today, it stands as a testament to innovation, perseverance, and the power of teamwork. Time travel, anyone? Let's take a journey back to 25 years of Akal, captured in photos and videos. From our humble beginnings to where we stand today, it is a story of our growth, grit, and grace. They've been here since day one, through every milestone, every challenge, and every celebration. Let's hear from our wonderful team members who've seen it all.
25 साल इस कंपनी में पूरे होने के उपलक्ष्य में बहुत ही खुशी है और इसमें मुझे 25 साल कब पूरे हुए, कब इसकी जर्नी कंप्लीट हुई, ये हमें आज देख के पता चल रहा है। जैसे एक माँ अपने बच्चे के साथ अटैच रहती है, इसी तरह से हम इस कंपनी के साथ इतना अटैच्ड हैं कि 25 इयर्स की ये जर्नी हमें पूरी नहीं लग रही है। इसमें हमने कितने सारे उतार चढ़ाव देखे, एटलीस्ट आज हम अपनी कंपनी में बैठे हुए हैं और अपनी खुद की कंपनी में, जहां पर हम अपने 25वीं एनिवर्सरी को सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं।
I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to all of the members in Akal, and their unwavering support, encouragement and trust have made this journey truly remarkable.
I too share the same experience as Anju. I think it's not about just my journey in Akal, it's my only journey because I joined Akal as an intern to start with. Then I've been in many posts and stages. I've been engineer, consultant, architect, and Akal gave me good opportunities to grow and to learn and cherish.
And now let's see how the Akal spirit resonates with everyone across the teams, new and old. What is Akal's biggest strength?
So our company biggest strength is innovations.
It's teamwork and innovation.
Adaptability to new technologies.
Loyalty to the customer, their associates and their employees.
People and culture, leadership qualities, leadership team, operational excellency and our continuous growth.
Akal's biggest strength lies in its name meaning forever, symbolizing lasting bonds and good services throughout.
What makes Akal feel like home?
Unwavering trust towards my colleague.
Trust and supports of management towards employees.
Family जैसा environment है.
Management and my team.
Due to its cohesive and supportive environment and a deep alignment of core values.
And now, a few words from someone who's been at the heart of Akal's vision and success. Let's hear from our HR director, Ms. Sukhneet Kaur, who's seen the dream turn into reality.
Congratulations Akal on completing 25 years. इन 25 सालों में मैंने बहुत सारे लोगों को आते और जाते हुए देखा है, बहुत सारी टीम ने अकाल के साथ काम किया है। थैंक यू टू ऑल दोस्त जिन्होंने पास्ट में अकाल को सक्सेसफुल बनाने में हेल्प की है, अपनी पूरी मेहनत दी है। एंड अ बिग शाउट आउट टू ऑल दोस्त जो आज भी मेहनत कर रहे हैं कि अकाल को हम सब मिलकर एक बहुत बड़ी सक्सेसफुल कंपनी बना सके। वंस अगेन थैंक यू एवरीवन and congratulations to the complete Akal team, wishing you many more years of success. Thank you.
As we look back on 25 years of Akal, who better to share the story than the one who envisioned it all? Here's our Managing Director, Mr. Sarabjit Singh, reflecting on the journey of Akal and the values it stands for.
Congratulations Akal Information Systems on this incredible milestone. 25 years of innovation and growth really means something to celebrate. Akal has not just been a workplace for me. It has been a journey of passion, purpose and shared dreams. From that initial idea way back in 2000 to this thriving company, I am immensely proud of what we have been able to create together. Akal means timeless, meaning it simply perfectly embodies our commitment to long-lasting impact. And the family we have created here is united by this commitment to transform lives using technology. At this day today, I would like to express my deep gratitude to everybody who has contributed to the success of Akaal. Our dedicated teams, our valued customers, our supportive partners. I thank you so much for being part of Akaal's success. All the best.
Akaal's story is a collective one, a story written by every employee, every project and every client who believed in us. As we celebrate 25 years of Akaal, we promise to keep growing, innovating and building a legacy for generations to come.
Happy 25 years, Akaal!